Guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Also happy new year. I haven't posted in long. So here is how to make gravity. So first create a new variable called speed y. Put this sprite only, and then let's get to it. When green flag click forever, change y by -1. This seems unrealistic. So what we need to do is change speed y by -1 and then change y by speed y. And as you can see, it falls. Also don't forget to reset the speed y. So next we need a ground. So do ground. You don't need to make it as it. So either. So as you can see, there's no collision. So what we gotta do is, if touching ground, then set speed y to 0. It still go down. So change y by 1. And there you have it. You have gravity. This is useful for platformers. And if you want a jumpy key, it's that easy. If key is space pressed, then set speed y to 12 or any number you want. And you can see, we got a jump key. And that's how you make gravity.